guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to insert an hyperlink in Microsoft Word. So you go to insert and then you come to link and then you say insert the link and then you search for the link that you want to attach to or the document that you want the link to appear, and then click OK. So if I want to go and read this document, I'll go here and have the document. I can also add another link. So you go to insert link, then maybe I want to attach a folder. So it's going to take me to the folder. You can also insert a link. We can add it from the web. So I'll go to, let's say, YouTube. And I click, I open YouTube, I open one of the movie, then I copy the link, then I come here. So you can attach the link for the document saved in a laptop, and also you can attach the link for the online document by doing this. Searching for the where to look in the network. So you go back to.
What if you could make a song using only your voice? Let's start with the drums. I'm gonna hit drums and click cover. Yes. This is good. Okay, perfect.
If you want to access this link, also click this and you access.